Because you feel यार if you open yourself up to the other person, they're gonna be latching on, वो अपने needs वगैरह तुमसे मांगेंगे और वो तुम meet नहीं कर पाओगे and you're gonna feel burdened with that. I put this up as a story on my Instagram और वहाँ पे मैंने लोगों से पूछा what do you think I am इन दोनों में से? Yo, what up, Iron Man? Welcome to the vlog. My name is Kshitij. If you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure you hit the subscribe button. You spank it, smash it, demolish it. I know it's been quite some time. It's been over a week or two, and I haven't kept you guys updated on what the fuck has been happening in my life. Also, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. How fucking crazy is that? 1,000 subscribers within 3 months of putting up the vlog. 90 videos bhi nahi hue hain abhi, but actually, 90 days to ho gaye the because I wasn't vlogging for a while. And guess where I am right now? I'm in fucking Phuket. This is my first international trip. मेरा passport कहाँ है यार? रुको, passport. अबे यार, passport कहाँ? लेके आता हूँ. एक सेकंड रुको यार. I'll just show you guys. How fucking dope is this? Check it out. ये देखो. Visa, fee exemption, first. और इसका यार एक और स्टैम्प भी तो होना चाहिए. हाँ ये रहा. Immigration, departed. Visa, Thailand. God damn. पहला स्टैम्प लग चुका है. Iron Man lifestyle has been amazing and thank you guys for being a supporter out there, being a supporter out here, which is making all of these things possible. I knew this was gonna happen sometime. मतलब मेरे को ना पहले से पता था around जब से मैं छोटा था. I knew कि यार अभी पेरेंट्स है, पेरेंट्स के साथ तो मैं कहीं बाहर जाने नहीं वाला हूँ. इतने तो हम गरीब हैं अभी, ठीक है. And काम वाम उतना सही नहीं चल रहा है. But I knew कि when I grow older, I start doing what I want to do. I start doing my business. I start working on it. It's just a matter of time before things like these happen. And even going to the States, जो मेरा ड्रीम है बहन जो जाने का. ड्रीम तो क्या ही है यार, ठीक है. मतलब LA जाना है मेरे को. I want to hang out with the boys out there. Pickup का पूरा सीन LA में बहुत crazy है यार. I want to go there. I've been checking out all these fucking places. वहाँ पे Warwick करके एक जगह है, One Oak है, 2-3 जगह और है यार. It's been amazing. All the stuff that I've been following. Entourage जो मैं देखता हूँ, जो background रहता है हमेशा. All of that is so fucking amazing. वहाँ पे मेरे को वहाँ पे जाना है. और last year I was gonna go there जून में, but बहन जो वीजा नहीं अप्लाई हुआ. पैसों की दिक्कत होती है तो पैसे तो मैंने सॉर्ट आउट कर लिए थे. 6 महीने मैंने बहुत काम करा and that was the time when I launched my first mentorship program and that was also a huge success. This one is just epic levels पे, ठीक है. This is just gone to epic levels in the amount of content that I'm throwing. I'm just loving doing the webinars out here. तो उस टाइम पे वो नहीं हो पाया. Then I went for the inner child healing stuff, which was also even good. But अब इस साल या next year the US is also gonna happen. So this is just the start and I'm just very stoked and excited for this trip. I'm here for a week and who's joining me right now is gonna be Amin. Got Amin here again. Energy थोड़ी अब डाउन हो गई है and जो सेम बातें दोबारा होंगी यहाँ पे. वो अभी तक आया नहीं है. वो चूते मलेशिया से आ रहा है. उसका भी सही सीन है यार. तो गजब ही है. मतलब दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम फ्लाइंग इन अ डिफरेंट टाइम जोन. तो मेरे को कहता भाई मैं आ रहा हूँ, मैं 8 बजे निकलूंगा, मैं 7:30 तक पहुंच जाऊंगा. तो मैं क्या कह रहा है, कहता 1 घंटा पीछे है ना, आधे घंटे की फ्लाइट है. गजब है यार, आधा घंटा बच रहा है इसमें. एपिक शिट. कमिंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ टुडेस वीडियो, लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग व्हिच हैज बीन ऑन माय माइंड, जो मैंने अभी अपने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे भी शेयर किया था. देयर इज दिस कोट बाय नील स्ट्रॉस. उसमें वो कहता है दैट ऑल ऑफ द इंटिमेसी इश्यूज एंड द प्रॉब्लम सेल्फ लव एंड एक्सेप्टेंस एंड एवरीथिंग हैपेंस बिकॉज़ ऑफ 2 reasons. Okay, one of 2 reasons. The first one is if someone gets to know me, they're not going to like me because I'm such a shit ass of a person and there's a lot of shame and everything associated with those kind of emotions. And with that thing, a lot of shame is associated, a lot of self-worth issues and self-esteem issues are associated. The second reason being that if I get to know someone, if I open myself up to the other person, then their needs and their wants are going to overwhelm me and I'm going to be stuck in that relationship, be it a romantic relationship or just being a friend, where what happens is you cannot open yourself up to the other person and you cannot be vulnerable because you feel यार if you open yourself up to the other person, they're going to be latching on, वो अपने needs वगैरह तुमसे मांगेंगे और वो तुम meet नहीं कर पाओगे and you're going to feel burdened with that. I put this up as a story on my Instagram और वहाँ पे मैंने लोगों से पूछा what do you think I am इन दोनों में से. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while and you know me in person, तुम boot camp पे आए हो, you know who I am. But around 55% of the people or 45%, like 55% of the people, like 45 to 50% of the people voted that I'm the first one and the rest voted that I'm the second one. और मैंने देखा लोगों को, मैं कहा यार ठीक है, okay, so these were the people who kind of knew me as well और फिर भी उनको पता नहीं था क्या था. So being very honest with you guys right now, the problem that I've been having is that I cannot go very deep with the relationship और मेरे वहाँ पे commitment issues आ जाते हैं and the core reason for that being is that I feel यार I'm going to be burdened there और मैं वहाँ पे फंस जाऊंगा. I'm going to get stuck and this is why I went for the inner child healing session. It's called enmeshment here, ठीक है. So this is not the time to talk about that. It's a very deep concept, काफी crazy सा concept है. So I've been enmeshed while growing up and I've been abandoned as well, but enmeshment was something जो काफी crazy level पे था, जो अभी भी I'm fighting constantly. It's been over a year and a half where I'm fighting it and I'm in a much better place, but still there's a lot of it left and मेरे को अभी थोड़ा काम और करना है उस पे. But it's not something जिससे मैंने बहुत ज्यादा affect होता हूँ क्योंकि अब I can control it, I can blast through it. अब उसके बाद I shared the same story again and with the question that what do you think which one of these two are you? And उसमें vote था that 60% of the people were the first one जिनको लगता है that if someone gets to know them अच्छे से deep down, if they open themselves up to the other person, they're not gonna like them and that is where their trust issues and their intimacy issues come from. And that was 60% of the people. 40% of the people was वो जो enmeshed है वहाँ पे, ठीक है. This is not the time to talk about all of that stuff. I want to cover this up in the later videos or maybe on Add My Lifestyle when I start coaching inner child healing, because that's what my goal here is, and I know the power of it. I know how a lot of people went for the workshops that I've recommended. मैं खुद इतना जा रहा हूँ, and how much of a change it's bringing me. Alright, so अब इसमें there was a very very crazy correlation. The people who thought that I was the first kind, जिनको लगता है कि मुझे लगता है कि if someone gets to know me, they're not gonna like me at all, and that's far away from the truth. अब जो ये लोग थे, these were the same ones who voted 60% कि ये भी खुद यही हैं. So what they were doing was they were viewing things from their own perspective, जो मेरा नहीं है. I hope it makes sense. I'm gonna try saying that again. वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे ना, वो जो पहले वाली स्लाइड जो मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रहा था, they voted yes to the first one because वो खुद first वाले हैं, right? Does it make sense somehow? And the people who voted no, जो second वाले हैं, those were the ones जो लगता है कि वो खुद second वाले. So the Instagram story didn't say so much about me. It said more about those people. And if you're one of those people who are on my Instagram story and you voted the first one or the second one, what that does is that says a lot more about you than it says about me. So just bring it into awareness. And of course यहाँ पे कई सारे लोग होंगे जिनको पता होगा कि मैं second वाला, उन्होंने मेरे को second में vote करा और अपने आप को first पे करा है. If that is the case, and mostly 90% of the time you will be going through some form of intimacy issues. If you're not, I'm very fucking happy for you. You've had amazing upbringing, you've had amazing parenting, you've had an amazing life, you haven't been bullied, you haven't been sexually abused. You're one of the very rare people who has gone through that, and that's just amazing. अब guys, Amin's gonna be here. वो जब तक आता है, मैं तब तक अपना webinar है मेरा अभी यार, मैं उसको setup कर लेता हूँ. जब तक आएगा, I'm gonna make you guys meet Amin, and after that we're gonna head out here Phuket में. I think there's this club called Illusion. It's fucking epic. I'm gonna go there. और अभी मेरे को यार वो as I said webinar खत्म करना है. एक दो videos है जो मुझे upload करनी है. I'm gonna get that done. Till the time, that being said guys, I'm gonna see you guys next week back in India. Here I'm gonna be on a detox, a digital detox, because एक चीज और हो रही है ना मेरे साथ की, because I've been working so much, I cannot shut off my brain. Like एक तो फोन पे रहता हूँ या मैं हमेशा काम के बारे में सोचता रहता हूँ. So I wanna give that a rest. I wanna put it off and just enjoy my time here. And हाँ, परसों यार full moon party है, वहाँ पे जाने वाला हूँ, and the Fifi Islands and Koh Samui and all of these islands. I'm gonna be chilling there. वहाँ पे थोड़ी photos खींच लूँगा. I'm not gonna be vlogging there. That being said guys, that's gonna be the vlog for today. I'm gonna see you guys back in India. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're 1,000 people strong now. Just hit the subscribe button, bang it, smash it, demolish it, and I'm gonna see you soon. Peace. आ गया. इसको पकड़ते हैं. यहीं से अंदर आएगा. देख लिया गया इसने मेरे को. खुल जाए बाबा. क्या हाल है बाबा? अमीन भैया इन द हाउस. क्या हाल है ब्रो? क्षितिज, व्हाट्स हैपनिंग है?
क्या सीन है?
चल मैं यही हूँ. मैं ब्रो यहाँ सेटअप कर रहा हूँ
वेबिनार का.
हाँ
क्या बात
ब्रो. 70 Mbps स्पीड आ रही है. ऊपर 10 Mbps आ रही है, तो मैं मैं यहीं सेटअप करता हूँ. मैं इसको खत्म करता हूँ,
हाँ
फिर चलते हैं.